Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Red Man Forging. Appreciate you clicking on the video and hanging out with me today. Today we're going to be making a skinning knife, kind of a skinning, survivable, camping type knife. For a guy, he was not wanting the traditional wooden handle, so I told him we would hook him up with a bicolor knife handle. I think we're going with a neon green handle on one side and an orange handle on the other. And guys, I just want to express my gratification to you and let each and every one of you, subscribed or not subscribed, that view my videos, that come back and support the channel. Guys, I would love to have each and every one of you that watch these videos and support. And how you can support this channel is just subscribe. It's free. Subscribe and be sure to turn your bell notification on. That way every time I upload a video, it notifies you that I've uploaded a video, and you can either choose to watch it right then and there, or wait till you get off work, wait till you sit down with the family, what have you. But yeah, that's why I just want to run something by you. You know, knife making is a big hobby of mine. It's something I enjoy doing, and I recently just started this channel. And the bigger reason why I'm doing a YouTube channel is because I want to be able to take the money that I make from YouTube and give back to my community. I don't know what it is, but I think my purpose here on this earth is to help the less fortunate. You know, excuse me, we don't know how close we all are from a sticky situation, whether it be a loss of a job, you're going through a midlife crisis, addiction, whatever the case. You know, we all have things going on in our lives that sometimes we don't make the best decisions, and we find ourselves in a situation to where it takes the help of another person to get us out of it. And I kind of want to lend my hand to people in a less fortunate situation than I am. And I'm doing everything I can to be able to make that happen. And I just want to let that be known. And again, how you can support, if you want to be a part of that and support that, just subscribe to the channel. I haven't even thought about doing it. It's not the donation channels, and I'm not doing all that. I'm just doing the YouTube. And if you want to support the channel, just subscribe. And right here, you can see those handle blanks. Now this is the back side of one. I think this one is the orange one, and the other one is the neon green one. But I don't know what it is about drilling holes in either wood, epoxy, or metal. It's kind of oddly satisfying. I could sit there and drill a million holes in a block of wood, and it's just mesmerizing. And for those of you who have never seen, or have seen but don't know what those hammers are that have a ball on one side, This right here is the exact purpose for those hammers. It is for mushrooming out pins and other things, but this is one of the purposes meant for that, because it allows you to hit what you're wanting to hit without hitting the surface area around what you're hitting, like a nail head, for instance. Once you get that hammer and you're hitting that nail head, once it gets flush with the surface or the board or whatever you are hammering, then you start hammering the area around it and it makes dents in it. And if you use a ball peen hammer, you're still just hitting that nail head and not the area around it. Just a little fact thrown in there for you. And the donation, the $100 donation for this month goes to Mrs. E. Thank you, Mrs. E, for being a supporter of the channel. And I believe you have gotten this channel multiple subscribers, and I just want to go ahead and say I really appreciate it, and I hope you can put this $100 to use, and it really helps you and your family out. But guys, appreciate you coming and hanging out with me today. I really enjoyed your company. If I don't post another video between now and Christmas and New Year's, I just want to wish you and your family a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's. And we will see you on the next upload. Redman Forging out.